The torture went on for hours, but eventually, the mountains gave up their secret.
Built in the 70s, this is the Trans-Fagarian Highway.
Fire.
6,000 tons of dynamite were used to make it, and 40 lives lost. Look! God! That's the most amazing road I've ever seen. But from above, it looks like every great corner from every great racetrack in the world has been knitted together to create one unbroken grey ribbon of automotive perfection. Our cars had done motorways and city centres and gypsy villages. They'd been slept in and ridden on. But now, they had a chance to let their hair